Oh, I'm riding into the wind. Oh, this is horrible. What do I do? I always suck at actually making the intros and stuff, thinking about things to say. Welcome back to NewZeroland. I'm here with Jez, who offered to let me borrow his super awesome Light Bee while his wrist heals up because he just had surgery. So, thanks, man. I'm super excited. Yeah. I'm gonna have him talk about all the crazy things he's done to his bike because it's not a stock Light Bee at all anymore.
Alright, so I got this about 12 months ago, done about 2000k. I really love it when it's working, but like 4 times so far this year it's kind of let me down, so I had to fix things. In terms of what I've done to change things around, new tyres, new brake pads. Brake pads are awful, the stock ones. Came with a mechanical throttle, broke that, so that's an electric one. New stem for a bit more room. This is licensed as a moped, so it's limited to 50 on the road, but there's a little switch in here. You can turn off the off-road mode, so that'll do 70 or so. What else? This skid plate is bent to hell, and I've got another one on the way. New pegs. Stock pegs are awful. Droppers to give myself a bit more room here. The road version comes with like the plate and the lights are like stuck way out here, and that's just going to get damaged. So made up a mount to put the plate there, and then this new tail tidy and a longer mudguard. So there's some 3D printed bits in there holding it all together. It's not all sealed off yet, but it's getting there. Yeah, and also the belt on the other side, that's like the third belt because I've broken those a couple of times. And the kickstand sensor, that broke as well and left me stuck in the woods. So I managed to take that out. So yeah, let's say, when it works, it's great. Yeah.
That's crazy. Alright, see it. Woo! Sur-Ron Light Bee! Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, what a cool place to live. And what a cool bike for it. So this is the Sur-Ron Light Bee road legal version. So in New Zealand, you can actually get these with a light kit and you register them. So this one has, it has a license plate on the back. Let me just leave my visor up. I'm so excited to just ride this and just see how it works, like as a daily commuter, getting me to work and back, and then also for fun. I'm gonna try and take it off-road, check the weather for the next week, and there's only one day of sun, so I'm gonna try and take advantage of that. What is going on here? People are going for a hike and a jog in the rain. You're insane. Oh yeah, Jez was saying that there's like a 62k run or something this weekend. You're insane. I'm insane for even riding in this weather. See, there's a bike lane on the left, but I'm a legal motorbike right now, and so I'm just gonna ride in the street, go in the speed limit. So I know a lot of people in the States have modified these bikes with a 72 volt battery and the BAC 4000 and 8000 controller, and just they're making like 20 kilowatts. This one has 6. That is plenty for what this bike is. I feel like, you know, if you can do the speed limit, that's amazing. And really at the end of the day, this is just like an electric hooligan toy for going off-road, hitting the trails. Jez is really big into mountain biking, and so this is an obvious like next step up. This kind of bridges this gap between e-bikes and like an electric motorcycle. Wow, the water is so brown out there because of the storm, I guess. Whoa, splashy, splashy. This storm is insane. Oh my god. Alright, oh my god. Whoa, the wind. See, my original plan was to ride out to Red Rocks, which is this place that I took the Zero DSR for the 2 months that I had it. I took it there once, and there's like sand and river crossings and tons of crazy stuff, and it would have been a lot of fun if it wasn't like a hurricane right now. Jeez. So I'll have to wait a couple days to do that. But I guess this is a good test to see what the Light Bee can do in the rain. Jez says that he rides all the time, parks it in the rain in the city, and so he's not worried about it. So if he's not worried, I'm not worried, right? Oh man, the rain. Oh, the rain hurts. Oh, it hurts. Oh, I'm so wet. None of this gear is waterproof. So the tires Jez has on this bike are almost brand new. I'll have to find out what brand they are, but they're kind of 50-50 road and off-road use. And so right now it feels pretty good. Oh, check it out. Turn signals, because it's a street bike. It's legal and stuff. So Jez was saying this has a 600 watt charger. It's an off-board charger, but it's so tiny that you could really just mount it to the bike. I have it in my backpack right now, and I'll just plug it in at home. It seems like the kind of thing that you would just leave in the garage and just plug it in when you get back. But you could totally take it with you because it weighs nothing. And Jez says it only takes a couple hours to charge, maybe 3 hours. I'll find out. That's part of my week of testing. I'm gonna try and find out what kind of range this thing gets, because it has a 1.8 kilowatt hour battery, which isn't very much, but the bike is so lightweight that I can see this thing going really far. Wow, the wind's insane over here. Jeez. Alright. Oh, I'm riding into the wind. Oh, this is horrible. What am I doing? Why am I doing this? What is wrong with me? Oh wow, okay. I'm gonna ride over here. Wow, so much flooding going on over here. I would love to live by the coast, but man, you guys get hammered. Oh man, I am so wet. There's water in places. See, when you're actually like going at speed on the road, it just feels like a motorcycle, a really lightweight motorcycle. Going uphill is kind of struggling. Needs a little bit more power. Also, there's a northerly, like I'm riding into the wind, so even more force against it. And the rain, because when it rains, the atmosphere is thicker, so you need more energy to ride through it. So I'm probably killing the battery. I haven't even looked at it, but there's a little gauge thing, like a digital gauge on top of the battery, which is pretty cool. I am full of water. My pants and suit and everything is full of water. Oh my god. Okay, let's go left. Let's go through the tunnel. See what this bike sounds like in the tunnel. Yeah, really quiet. Look. Oh, it's so chill over here. Nope, it's raining. Still raining. So another reason I'm excited to borrow this for a week is that I kind of want to buy one. Like this little like secret part of my brain is like, you should get one of these, because it'd be an awesome commuter, because I live like 2 kilometers from work, so really anything can make it. But it'd just be so fun, and it'd be something I could learn how to wheelie on, since I've always wanted to learn how to wheelie. It's a skill that I feel like everyone needs. just to have. I don't know. And also I can go off-road. Like, I've only been off-road a handful of times on the DSR, and this thing just feels so much more capable of like getting places that I couldn't get on the really heavy Zero, you know? Like, a Zero FX would be awesome, but then the suspension isn't really set up for that kind of like off-road stuff. Not as much as this. Hopping over stuff, like sliding around in the dirt and rocks and sands. And so yeah, part of me really wants to buy one of these, and so this test is gonna show me what it's like to live with one of these. So yeah, if you guys are curious about anything regarding this bike, if you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try and shoot a video about that, like, you know, whether it's range or power or charging time, or I'm gonna try and cover as much as I can while I have it. Alright, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.